Hello, fellow yogis. Welcome to this 10-minute vinyasa flow you can do anytime you need a mindfulness break throughout your day. You don't need any equipment, but feel free to use some if you like. And let's talk to our mats. Okay, beautiful yogis, come to the front of your mat. Come into your mountain pose, feet or hips distance apart, knees soft, spine nice and straight. Just feel a second here to connect with your feet. Feel the top of your head reaching up, connecting with the earth and sky. Bring your palms to heart center as you form a private intention for your flow. And let's move mindfully together, starting with a nice deep breath. Inhale. Exhale into a forward fold. Inhale into a flat spine. Exhale as you step or hop back to plank. You can drop your knees to chaturanga or just keep your elbows in and come down. Taking cobra or up dog. And then meeting me in your down dog. Pause here for a breath or two. And then your next inhale brings that left leg up into a split. And bring it on through, planting it between your palms, and we're going to come up and do a nice lunge. So hold here in a nice high lunge. Come up slightly as you inhale. Exhale, take a little twist. And then do that again. And as you exhale, twist. Bring this elbow down. If you can reach around and bind, do it. If that's not in your practice today, it's okay. Go to a low lunge. We're going to join you there right now in the low lunge. Opening up, reach, reach, reach. And then bring that back knee to the mat. Come into an Anjaneyasana. And just take a breath or two here. Really feel the opening of the front of the thigh. Before pressing it back. And coming into a half split. And then come forward to your low lunge, step back into your plank, flow through a vinyasa, inhaling to up dog, exhaling to down dog. We're going to do a little bit of balance work, but you decide how much balance you want to do. That left leg is going to lift up again. Bring it on through, planting it between your palms, but a little bit back. And open up into a tripod. Now you can stay here. You might choose to come up into a balancing stick, or you can open up into a half moon. Take a breath or two here. And then with control, come out of it, allowing that leg and arm to fall, or wherever you are, fall back into your forward fold. Soften those knees as you come rounding up. Taking a nice deep breath, inhale overhead. Exhaling to heart center, checking in with that side of your body. We're going to get that on the other side. Inhale up. Exhale, surrender, forward fold. Inhale to your flat spine. Exhale, step or hop back. I'll show you a hop this time, chaturanga. Take your up dog before meeting me in down dog. This time it's the right leg that comes lifting up into that split. And we're going to pull it all the way through between those front legs. Coming up for the high lunge. So that back heel is going to stay lifted. And hold here, really feeling the strength of your legs for a minute. Inhale slightly as you lift up, or lift up slightly as you inhale, and take a twist. And then come on up. And you can try that bind or just hold the twist, whichever works. If you don't like the bind, just go into your low lunge. We'll be meeting you there in 2, 3. Here we are. Open up that low lunge for a second. Reach, reach, reach. And then bring that back knee down and come into your Anjaneyasana. Breathe. Check in with yourself, feeling the pose. And then release. Press back into that half split. And take a few breaths here. And then come forward, step back and flow through your vinyasa. And meet me back in your down dog. Remember, we're going into that balance next, and you decide how far you want to take that balance. Bring that right leg up again. Bring it through, stepping it between the legs, but just behind them. Come into that tripod. You can take the balancing stick variation, or you can keep one arm down, open up to your half moon. I always encourage you to personalize these flows for you. I am only your guide. And when you're ready, come through, wherever you are, ending up in your forward fold. Releasing down before softening the knees to come on up. Take a nice deep breath as your palms touch. Exhale to heart center. Come back to the center of your mat. Sink down into a nice yogi squat. Check in with your knees, maybe shift side to side. How are they feeling today? And come into an easy seat. Take a nice deep breath, inhale. And just twist to one side using your back arm like a second spine. Take another deep breath, inhale. And just twist that to the other side. Come back to center. One final deep breath in the center as we seal our practice by tapping our foreheads to remind us to be mindful of our thoughts, our lips for mindfulness of speech, and our hearts in gratitude for our practice. We at Only in Sedona Yoga are so grateful for you. Our mission is to make it possible for you to fit mindfulness into our daily life. Right now we have our weekly Wednesday shorts and our Sober Saturday live streams all for free, so please tune in. It's not free to produce this content, so check out the description of this video. We have a place you can stay if you're planning a Sedona vacation. We can offer one-on-one or small group guided yoga instruction here on the Red Rocks, or virtually, so you can help us out that way. And you can do so for free by subscribing to our channel, liking this content, and sharing it with other people it may help. Thank you sincerely, and have a beautiful day.